Hey there, welcome to another tech troubleshooting video. Today, we're diving into a common problem that many of us encounter when setting up a network share with an ASUS router. The problem at hand is that, despite being able to connect from Windows and Mac machines, Linux machines just won't play ball. Frustrating, right? We've confirmed that the share is up and running by using SMB client to list the available shares, but trying to connect to it throws out an nt_status_bad_network_name error. Let's get this sorted out, shall we? Now, onto the solution. The key here lies in the share name that the router is actually publishing. It's not just Andy, as we might have assumed, but Andy at Elements. To successfully connect to the share from your Linux machine, you'll need to adjust the command slightly. Use SMB client RTAC86U CF00 elements to access the share. This tweak in the command should have you breezing into your share in no time. In summary, the problem we faced today was the inability to connect to a Samba share hosted on an ASUS router from a Linux machine. The solution? Making sure to use the correct share name, Andy at Elements, when attempting to connect via SMB client. With this adjustment, you should be seamlessly accessing your network share from your Linux machine. Alright folks, that's a wrap for today. Remember to like, subscribe and comment down below with your tech troubles and triumphs. Until next time, happy troubleshooting.